Jim Colt here with Maverick CNC. A question that gets asked quite a lot is, does the plasma require a lot of power? Does it require a three-phase hookup? And it depends on which plasma you get, of course, but the PowerMax 45 from Hypertherm, the 65 and the 85 all can operate on either single phase, generally 240 volts, or three-phase, and it's virtually any three-phase voltage, which is 230 through 600 volts, like you'd see in some places in Canada. So yes, there are single phase and three phase. If the machine, there are some of the confusion comes from the fact that there are some European countries that require a different limitations on their power and their fusing levels. So on those machines, there's the only one out of the whole product line that's not available to operate on single phase is. That is available to operate on single phase is the PowerMax 45. So you could, the rest of them all have to be three phase, 65, 85. So for instance, in Germany, in Europe, in Australia, and some other countries, the units that can operate on either single phase or three phase cannot operate on single phase in those countries. So US and Canada, you're good either way. So.